Every day without AI Conduit, your team is manually searching through WordPress admin, checking users, posts, comments, looking up data the AI assistant could fetch in seconds. AI Conduit turns your WordPress site into a live data source for any AI assistant. Read-only by design, the AI can never modify your site. Role-gated, fully audited, and up and running in minutes. No API keys. No code. Open AI Conduit from your WordPress sidebar. This is the tool library. Every tool you build for your AI assistant lives, right here. Every tool starts with a name. Let's build one that lets an AI agent fetch your recent blog posts. The same visual drag-and-drop pattern works for any post type registered on your site. Click Create New Tool, give it a name, you're off. Now add a description. This is what the AI agent reads to decide when to use your tool, so make it specific. Say what data the tool returns, when the agent should call it, and what to expect back. A clear description is the secret to reliable AI tool calling. The LLM picks the right tool only when it knows what each one is for. Tools are built from blocks. AI Conduit ships with 4 out of the box: posts for any post type on your site, users for accounts and authors, comments for engagement data, and site info for the basics. And the block system is extensible. Developers can register custom blocks for any plugin they need. Drag a posts block onto the canvas, and the tool already knows it can read posts. You're always in control. Pick exactly the fields the AI agent can see: title, date, author. Anything you don't check stays private. Combine that with role-based permissions per tool, and you've got data exposure that meets enterprise security standards. Need custom data? Post meta, ACF fields, anything stored against a post in your database. Check the keys you want exposed. Mark each one as a filter so the AI agent can search by it. Then set the data type: text, number, date, or Boolean, so queries compare properly. And for plugins that generate dynamic meta keys at runtime, pattern matching lets you expose a whole family with one wildcard rule, like _ACF%. Perfect for ACF, WooCommerce style prefixed keys, or repeater fields. One thing to know: pattern keys can't be combined with joins on the same block, so for any given tool, pick one or the other. Taxonomies work the same way. Categories, tags, or any custom taxonomy registered on your site, pick the ones the AI agent can list and filter by, and AI Conduit wires them in for you. Now the real power: joins. Without joins, an AI agent has to make multiple separate calls to gather related data, fetch a post, then fetch its author, then maybe its comments. Slow, expensive, brittle. Joins fix that. Add a join, pick what to connect, like posts to their authors. Map the matching columns. The post's author ID lines up with the user's ID. Then choose which fields from the join table to include, like the user's display name and email. AI Conduit writes the SQL for you, and the AI agent gets back one flat result with everything correlated. No follow-up calls, no orchestration on the agent side. Now decide who can use this tool. Pick the WordPress user roles allowed to call it: administrators, editors, or any custom role on your site. Anyone else gets denied. Permissions are set per tool, so you can build broad tools for your editors and surgical tools for admins only. Here's the payoff. Everything you just clicked has become a valid MCP tool schema, the exact JSON that Claude Desktop, Claude Code, or any MCP-aware AI assistant needs. It updates live as you edit, and every request is logged, a full audit trail of every AI interaction with your site. Click Publish. Your tool is live, instantly available to any MCP-aware AI assistant connected to your site. No deploys, no API keys to rotate, no schemas to push. Just save and ship. Every tool lives here on the dashboard. Edit, delete, or export any tool with one click. Need to move your tool library to another site? Export all gives you a JSON file. Import brings them right back. Perfect for staging to production or sharing a tool library across client sites. Click instructions for everything you need to connect. The MCP endpoint URL, a helper that builds your auth header from a WordPress application password, and ready-to-paste configs for Claude Desktop, Claude Code, and any MCP client. Pair it with an app password from your WordPress user profile, and you're talking to your data in minutes. Your team's AI assistant is one plugin away. Stop searching through WP Admin. Start talking to your data. AI Conduit is free on WordPress.org, and for ready-made tools or to request a custom block for your favorite plugin, head to wisdomlabs.com/AI Conduit. Let's see this end-to-end. Claude Code is Anthropic's terminal AI assistant, and it speaks MCP natively. Your AI Conduit tool is one command away from being usable inside any Claude Code session. Register AI Conduit as an MCP server with one command. Point it at the endpoint your instructions page gives you, drop in your WordPress application password as the auth header, and you're done. Claude Code now knows where to find the tools. A quick MCP list confirms the connection. AI Conduit is online, ready to serve every tool you built. Now ask a natural language question, the kind a teammate would ask. No curl, no JSON, no special syntax, just English. Claude Code never silently invokes a tool. It tells you exactly what it wants to call, on which server, with which arguments, and waits for you to approve. Hit enter and the call fires. That's security and auditability baked into the protocol, not bolted on as an afterthought. The tool fires. Claude Code gets back the structured response, posts paired with their authors, joined fields and all, exactly as we configured, and synthesizes an answer using your site's real data. No follow-up calls, no glue code, no orchestration. That's MCP. Your WordPress data, agent-ready, working inside the AI clients your team already uses, Claude Desktop, Claude Code, and any future MCP-aware assistant.